Hi, in this video we are going to add background image to the container layout. So now let's start. I have one page, that is I add here one container and I configure its width infinity and height also I set infinity. Now container is set full page. Now right side I select background image and image type is currently network is selected. Now I choose asset and here one option available, asset image. I want to click on and now see background image. Now I click and now after selecting background image, that image is added in a container background. Now I add child and set alignment center and its font size I increase 76 and text color white. Now it is visible. Now what we do here, container layout I added and one text child, and in a container I add background image. Now let's start. Now project is started. Now we can see that background image as well as text which is added on a container. So what we do in UI builder, just create one container and configure one background image and one widget inside the container. So this way we can add the images in the background of container.